I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Bruce Lee. Yes, my friends, if you have practiced something 10,000 times, even the legendary Bruce Lee will fear you. Same is the case in the financial markets. If you have practiced a strategy 10,000 times, forget 10,000 times, even 100 times, you will master that strategy. And then you can make sure that one strategy will help you in winning from the financial markets. Hi, friends, Professor Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this new video. In this video, we are going to discuss the 1, 2, 3, 4 strategy. Yes, probably when you Google, you might not see a 1, 2, 3, 4 strategy the way I am explaining it to you. But there are 4 steps to this strategy. That's why I call it the 1, 2, 3, 4 strategy. It's a very simple strategy, very, very basic strategy. But if you practice this strategy 100 times on a financial instrument and then keep trading, you will surely get a very, very good win rate, 101% above 60%. And the best part about this strategy is the risk to reward is always like 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, sometimes even 1 is to 5. And friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. I keep creating a lot of videos on trading, stocks, crypto, options, and related topics. Let us get back to the topic of the day. Let's get directly into the strategy. I call this strategy the 1, 2, 3, 4 strategy. Why? Because you have to wait for 4 moves in this. Step number 1 is you have to wait for a long-term support when you're looking for a bullish trade. So once the price reaches a long-term support, then you wait for the price to move upwards, then create a resistance, retrace back, that is your second move, then let the price break the resistance that it has created, which is your third move. And in the fourth move, the price has to retrace back to the same zone, which earlier was a resistance and now has got converted into a support zone. Once the price come into this zone, you only have to look for a wonderful candlestick pattern and then enter the trade. And once you enter the trade, you will see that your risk to reward is really, really good. As I said earlier, it can be 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, or 1 is to 5 also. Let us also look at this move when it is a bearish call. So in the bearish call, number 1 step is you have to wait for the price to reach a resistance zone. Then your first move, the price has to come down, create a support, go back up towards a resistance zone, but create a lower high. That is your second move. The third move is the price again has to come down, break the support, and then the fourth move is the price again has to go back up till the support zone, which has now be converted into a resistance zone. So this is your fourth move. So your 1, 2, 3, 4 move is complete over here. In this particular resistance zone, especially in the bearish call, you wait for a good candlestick pattern and then you enter your trade. So this is a very, very simple 1, 2, 3, 4 strategy. If you practice this strategy, 101% your success rate will be really above 60%. This one strategy is more than enough to make you a winner in the financial markets. Let us have a look at this strategy in the real charts. Friends, like you can see, I've taken the Euro USD chart. And as I said, step number 1 is to find a long-term support zone over here, because first we are going to look for a bullish trade. So I'll click on this rectangle and I see a good support zone over here. I'll take it from here because just okay. So like you can see on a daily chart, the Euro USD, I have got a wonderful support zone over here. So step two is to go for a 4-hour chart and see whether we can find our 1, 2, 3, 4 move over here. So I'll go on to a 4-hour chart. So there you go. This is our 4-hour chart, like you can see. So I'll just make it big so to see whether our 1, 2, 3, 4 move is available or not. So there you go. So let us see whether the 1, 2, 3, 4 move is available. So we take this path. There you go. Move number 1, move number 2, which is above the move number 2. This is a higher low. Move number 3, it has broken the resistance. And move number 4, it has come over here to the same area, which was earlier a resistance. And now it has become a support. So let us take this rectangle over here. Just highlight this area over here. So there you go. We have identified where we have to go for the buy. Now let us see whether we can find a good candlestick pattern over here. So I will increase the size again. And there you go. You can see a good hammer and a good engulfing candle over here. So you have two good candlestick patterns over here to enter the trade. Now let us take the forecasting tool, go for the long position. Say example, you enter the trade over here. And remember, you're looking for 1:2. Put your stop loss below the support zone, which is 46 pips. And your profit would be here 2 times, which you already got in a few candles. But just to create the excitement, let us see how far this trade went. 6.58 times. So there you go. The 1, 2, 3, 4 move is such a wonderful move. All right. So this is for a buy. Let us find another area for a sell. So we do the same thing. Everything remains the same. Good resistance zone. But first we go on to the daily chart. There you go. We are on a daily chart and I'm going to look for a good resistance zone. So this is a good area over here. Okay, so I have identified my area where I'm going to go for the sell trade. Once I identify the sell trade area, now I go to a 4-hour chart. So I've come to the 4-hour chart. I'm going to increase the size because we have to look for the 1, 2, 3, 4 move. So there you go. Let's see whether the 1, 2, 3, 4 move is available. So move number 1, move number 2, move number 3, move number 4. So you got your 4 moves over here. And now you draw your rectangle, which earlier is a support zone, then becomes a resistance zone. Now you make it even bigger to see whether there is a candlestick pattern over there. Wow, there you go. So here, see how important candlestick pattern is. Here also, the price came to the same zone, but there is no candlestick pattern which gives you a bearish call. At the same time, here you're seeing a bearish engulfing pattern, which tells you, yes, you can go for a bearish call. So this is how important candlestick patterns are at a good support zone or a resistance zone. So at this resistance zone, we go for a sell and then we take the forecaster. We go for the short position. We enter the trade here. The stop loss, which is 44 points. Our take profit is 88 points. There you go, 2 times. Very comfortably, we achieve our target. But just to create that excitement, let us see how far this trade went. We stay in this trade for a very, very long time. Let me tell you, if you really want to book such long profits, you will have to become a very, very patient trader. It went 547 points, which is 12.39 times. Yes, but to take such kind of profit, you will have to have a lot of experience, a lot of patience, and understand the charts very, very well. It is not that easy. The best thing for new traders is book your profit at 1:2 or 1:3 and exit the trade. Or you can book part of your profit and then let the part of your profit run till you see the market changing its direction. Try this and you will surely be successful. All right, friends. I hope that this explanation has made it very, very clear that the 1, 2, 3, 4 strategy is a very, very simple trading strategy, and anybody can learn this strategy very, very easily. And like Bruce Lee says, if you have practiced this strategy 10,000 times, then there is nothing going to stop you. I say practice it 100 times. That's more than enough. And remember, there is no strategy that is 100% loss proof. So please do not infuse more than 0.5% in any trade while you are trading. Once you become an expert, then you can gradually increase your risk percentage. Traders, remember, you need to spend time in the market. A lot of practice, patience, and persistence is needed to become a successful trader in the stock markets. Friends, I have written a book, Traders You Can Win, but First Learn to Lose. This book talks about taking losses when you're wrong and waiting when you're right in the trade. It also speaks about my experience in the financial markets. The book is available in Amazon in Kindle. If you're interested, you know where to get it now. Friends, if you love the way I'm creating content, please like and share these videos. So like you, there might be many others who want to learn trading the right way. These videos will surely help them to improve their trading. Friends, I have created a lot of videos and I'll be creating many more videos in the future. So if you are still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so that every time I create a video and upload it on YouTube, you will be the first person to be notified. Friends, I have also created a series of training videos. The link is given below. Friends, all I can say is keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Namaskar.